Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your USAA account to the Acorns app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your USAA account with the Acorns app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Acorns app. Then on the upper right hand corner, go ahead and click on the profile icon. Next, go into settings. Then from this option, click on linked accounts. Now from here, you can click on link another account, and then it either will ask you to verify your account with your phone number, or you could actually connect your bank to start investing. So click on USAA, and then from here, it's going to prompt you to log into your USAA account so that you can select which checkings or savings accounts you want to connect it to the Acorns app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next